Hello everyone, welcome back to WA Reviews. Today I've got something special for you. The SoundPEATS Clip 1 earphones. This one's a bit different. The moment you listen, you'll realize the sound quality feels way above its price range. What's even more surprising, it supports Dolby Audio, which you rarely see in earphones at this level. So let's dive in and check it out. The charging case is compact and sleek. The ear hooks are made of medical-grade memory steel wire, super soft, flexible, and fits the ear perfectly. You can bend and twist them however you like, they'll always spring back to their original shape. Each earbud weighs only 5.5 grams, so even after wearing them all day, your ears won't feel sore. You can even lie on your side while wearing them. No pinching or discomfort. It's truly a barely there fit. Here's where things get impressive. The Clip E is equipped with a 12mm dual magnetic dynamic driver, delivering powerful output and precise control. Vocals are crystal clear, and the bass hits deep without being muddy. Even more incredible, it supports Dolby Atmos, a feature usually found in premium headphones. When watching movies, you can actually feel the sound wrapping around you, from front to back, left to right, even above and below, giving you a cinema-level immersive experience. It also auto-adjusts the volume intelligently. Explosions won't startle you, and whispers remain clear and audible. For movie lovers, this is a total game changer. The earphones also support LDAC high-definition audio, meaning if you're streaming lossless tracks from Apple Music, you'll hear every detail, clear instrument separation, no distortion, just pure sound. However, a quick tip. Dolby Audio and LDAC can't be enabled at the same time, and switching between them will cause a quick reconnection, so you'll have to pick one depending on your use. It supports dual device connection, letting you pair with your phone and laptop or tablet at once. No need to repair each time. Each charge lasts up to 8 hours, and with the case, you get a total of 40 hours of playback. It also supports fast charging. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of playtime. Sweat and splash resistance? Of course. Whether you're working out or caught in light rain, it's got you covered. The companion app is beautifully designed. You can customize sound profiles, find your earphones, upgrade firmware, and even get alerts if you accidentally drop them. The SoundPEATS Clip 1 is easily one of the best clip-style open-ear earphones under $100. It nails sound quality, comfort, and smart features all in one package. If you're after Dolby sound, immersive experience, great comfort, and hassle-free use, then the SoundPEATS Clip 1 is absolutely worth a try.